Plastic pollution essay. Plastic pollution has emerged as one of the most pressing environmental issues of our time. The extensive use of plastic and its improper disposal have led to devastating consequences for our planet. Causes of plastic pollution. The widespread use of plastic in our daily lives is a major contributor to plastic pollution. The convenience and affordability of plastic products have led to their rampant production and consumption. Additionally, inadequate waste management systems and the improper disposal of plastic waste exacerbate the problem. Plastic items often end up in landfills, water bodies, and ecosystems, where they take hundreds of years to decompose, releasing harmful chemicals and causing long-lasting damage to the environment. Effects of plastic pollution. Plastic pollution poses grave threats to ecosystems and human health. In marine environments, plastic waste kills millions of marine animals each year. Fish, seabirds, turtles, and other wildlife mistake plastic debris for food or become entangled in it, leading to injuries, suffocation, and death. Moreover, the presence of microplastics in the water is a growing concern, as they enter the food chain and accumulate in marine organisms, ultimately affecting human health. On land, plastic pollution harms terrestrial wildlife, including birds, mammals, and reptiles, through ingestion or entanglement. Plastic waste also clogs drainage systems, exacerbating the risk of floods during heavy rainfall. Furthermore, the burning of plastic waste releases toxic gases into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and exacerbating respiratory problems in humans. Solutions to plastic pollution. Addressing plastic pollution requires a multifaceted approach. Firstly, reducing plastic consumption and promoting sustainable alternatives is crucial. Individuals can make a significant impact by opting for reusable items such as bags, bottles, and containers, and by refusing single-use plastics. Improved waste management systems are essential to prevent plastic from entering the environment. Governments should invest in recycling infrastructure, enforce regulations on plastic waste disposal, and promote initiatives that encourage proper recycling and waste reduction. Education and awareness campaigns play a pivotal role in changing consumer behavior and fostering a culture of environmental responsibility. By educating communities about the detrimental effects of plastic pollution, individuals can be empowered to make conscious choices and adopt sustainable practices. Collaboration among governments, businesses, and civil society is vital to tackle plastic pollution comprehensively. Encouraging innovation in materials, such as biodegradable or compostable alternatives to plastic, can also contribute to a sustainable future. Conclusion: plastic pollution poses an imminent threat to our environment, ecosystems, and human health. By addressing the causes, understanding the effects, and implementing effective solutions, we can mitigate this crisis. It is imperative that we take immediate action to curb plastic pollution and ensure a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this.